guys, YouTubers, Zach Arges here with the video, and I got kind of inspired, not really though, but I got inspired from Jack Got Herbs, yeah, and so subscribe to him. He has pretty good videos on reptiles, his collection. So I just ordered a bearded dragon right here, and so I'm gonna be doing it. Opening it up. Really hard one. Jeez, they put a lot of tape on this. Okay, that side. And I just got a bearded dragon, full grown, I think. Yeah. Pretty cool color. Pretty good. Looks like he's in a shed right now. He's a pretty cool lizard. And then over there, I got his setup. If you can show that. Got his big water dish. And right here, I got, this is a UAV light right here. A heat light. He likes to sit right there and on his hot heat rock. And then this is just the daytime light. So let's put him in and see how he likes it. Dang, his nails are sharp. Jeez, look at that. It's great. Well, he's a pretty cool lizard. I think I might name, I've been thinking of some names. I don't know. I was just thinking of Zeus. I think it's a pretty cool name for a bearded dragon, but like, comment, subscribe, and check out my channel. See you guys later. Bye.